Small bathrooms can feel larger and more expensive, not because of size, color, or renovation, but because of a few quiet design decisions most people miss. In this video, you'll see 5 simple tricks designers use to make small bathrooms feel calm, spacious, and intentional, even in real homes. When a bathroom feels expensive, it's rarely about bold details or luxury materials. It's about visual balance, clear structure, and how the eye moves through the space. These ideas work in light bathrooms, dark ones, neutral spaces, and even very small layouts, without changing the entire design. Let's start with the first one. Trick 1. Limit how many materials compete for attention. Bathrooms feel smaller when too many finishes fight for focus. Spaces feel larger when the eye can rest. Using fewer materials and repeating them creates visual calm. That calm is what makes a bathroom feel more spacious and more expensive at the same time. Trick 2. One material should anchor the room. In designer bathrooms, there is usually one material that visually holds the space together. Stone, tile, or a wood tone. Everything else supports it, not competes with it. This single anchor gives the room structure, even when the space itself is small. Trick 3. Avoid almost matching elements. Bathrooms look less refined when things are almost the same, but not quite. Slightly different whites, nearly matching metals, similar but not identical textures. Designers either repeat elements clearly or avoid repeating them at all. That clarity instantly feels more intentional. Trick 4. Use fewer contrasts than you think. Many calm, expensive-looking bathrooms rely on soft contrast, not sharp contrast. When tones are close, the space feels continuous. When contrast is gentle, the room feels larger and more timeless. Soft contrast lasts longer than dramatic contrast, visually and emotionally. Trick 5. Clear horizontal lines calm the space. A strong horizontal line, tile alignment, a niche, a mirror edge helps the eye move smoothly across the room. This subtle structure makes small bathrooms feel more organized, grounded, and visually wider, even without changing the layout. When a small bathroom feels bigger and more expensive, it's usually because nothing is fighting for attention. The space feels calm, balanced, and easy to understand at a glance. These are the choices that quietly elevate a bathroom, without trends, without excess, and without overthinking. If you enjoy calm, thoughtful design that feels beautiful and livable, this video was made for you. Take your time, notice the details, and let the space speak for itself.